Meta has launched a new application which is called Threads. So what are the uses of this application and how it is giving competition to Twitter? So we will know everything about this application in this video. So watch this video till the end to know everything about Threads. Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on GetAssist, and I'm here to tell you about Threads. So in Threads you can post photos, videos, or you can write anything about anything. Same in Twitter also. But how this application is different from Twitter? So Twitter has introduced a lot of new updates in which you have to buy subscriptions to enable few features which are given on Twitter. But in Threads everything is free. So why Threads are very easy or compatible as compared to Twitter? Because of these two reasons. Number one, your Threads account are directly linked to your Instagram account. For example, I'm a new creator and I want to create anything new on a new application. So the motivation for me will be my audience, that is my followers. So because Threads are already connected or interlinked with your Instagram account, so all the followers of your Instagram can directly come on your Threads account and they can follow you. But in Twitter, I have to start with zero and I have to create or gain all the followers by my own. Number two, the interface of Threads are more compatible and easier as compared to Twitter. But in Twitter, the application is very complex, where you have to understand each and every navigation. So this was everything about Threads. In the next video, I will tell you how you can create an account on Threads. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.